Gas cars or EVs? Which one will dominate the roads in the future? This battle is heating up, and today we're breaking it all down. Who do you think wins? Comment gas or EV before we dive in. Gas cars or EVs? Which one will dominate the roads in the future? Gas cars are tried and tested. They offer lightning-fast refueling, impressive driving range, and often come at a more affordable price. For long road trips, nothing feels as convenient. Did you know? The longest-range gas cars can go over 600 miles on a single tank. EVs are leading the charge with eco-friendliness, incredibly low running costs, and that addictive instant torque that makes acceleration feel like a rocket launch. Eco-friendly, cheaper to run, silent and smooth. Would you trade engine sound for instant speed? Of course, EVs have their challenges. Charging networks aren't everywhere. Batteries degrade over time, and recharging takes longer than a gas stop. That trade-off is real for many drivers. With governments around the world phasing out gas-powered cars and offering EV incentives, the future seems to be leaning electric. Countries ban new gas car sales. EV subsidies skyrocket. Policies are shaping the roads we'll drive tomorrow. But maybe the future isn't about one winning. Hybrids combine the strengths of both, giving drivers flexibility. For many, that's the true middle ground. So what do you think? Will gas roar on, or will EVs take over completely? Or will hybrids keep both alive? Team gas or Team EV? Drop your choice in the comments. Hit that like button if you love cars, and subscribe for more car tech debates that fuel the future. Subscribe for more car tech debates that fuel the future.